Hey ho, 1-2. So this time we are in Portugal having a surf trip here in Algarve region. It's day one, beautiful weather and nothing more to say. Let's go to the water.
For the surf camp we went to Lagos city in the southern Portugal. It's known for its walled old town, cliffs and Atlantic beaches. 7 days we stayed in extreme Algarve surf house and had the time of our lives. These guys provides everything: surf transfers, equipment, lessons, tuna salads for lunch and hot jacuzzi till 9 p.m. What else do you need? In the first 3 days, we visited Arifana, Zaviel and local Duna beaches. Good weather, spectacular panoramas and gangsta mob around made me happy all the time.
So today is day 4 here in Portugal. Yesterday we've been visiting Arifana beach. It's a very beautiful place, but bad luck for me. I lost my GoPro in the water with the car and drone shots, so you can't see it at the moment, guys. But anyway, and this is new GoPro and it's the first vlog with this camera. And today is day 4. We're going for a bike tour around the area, around the countryside. It's gonna be a whole day trip, and yeah, everybody has scooters or bikes. And we're just on the edge before beginning our trip.
unforgettable week in Lagos passed very fast, and it was time to say goodbye. But there was one more place to visit before we leave Portugal. With that in mind, we headed towards Tavira city.
This is the end of the movie. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.